झालं लाईव्ह कोणा का
Record.
या रिकॉर्डिंग सर एवरी नाव एंड देन वन क्वेश्चन अरायझीस वेन एवर जिल्हा पंचायत कम की हांकां पावर्स कितें आहा पावर्स कसले वो फंड्स कितें मेळटले ते म्हणटा नाजाल्यार पंचायतीक इलेक्शनाक आनी इलेक्शन सेम काय म्हणून कितें एक्झॅक्टली
सी एक जाणा जावं लास्ट हांवें सांगलां तशें बॉडी सुद्दां जेन्ना जिल्हा सगळे बरें काम केलां एंड दे डू एक्सलंट वर्क दीस इज समथींग वेर दे हॅव टू प्रूव देमसेल्फ बाय डुईंग गूड वर्क एक हांवें ऑलरेडी आमी येवजिला तुका सांगलां मान्य मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सांगलां आनी हांव सांगता हांव जोडून घेतलो वी वील बी गिवींग देम थिंग्स टू हँडल मच मोर देन वॉट दे आर हँडलिंग but existing funds, existing scheme also they can do lot of work. That's why I said go to the other states, see what is the best and magi te inputs amka yeun diya. So then that will help them also, help us also. So we are alive to the situation that they need some more powers to work more.
Any highlight which you can tell us Baba your powers कसले
No, I will not tell it now. It is not through the press I will tell. They will come to know and it will be something what we will hand over to them to
you also
handle.
spoke CSR करपाक जाय CSR
See, many places I have seen in some zillas, they have done work even without government funds, going to various companies because it is compulsory for any company to do CSR. If your approach is good, they will give you money to do whatever scheme, whether it is a futsal ground, whether it is building a small village market. They are willing to give funds. It's only the approach. Because see, being Zilla, त्यांची area large असता. It is not like a punch member, one small ward. They are half the size of any constituency. That itself is power to them to deal with anything. नाले किती जाता? थोडे म्हणतात ना ही आपली एरिया तू कसं हांगा आयलो. So they have a large area to play with. So let them work, no?
Now, how much fund they are getting right now?
Huh?
How much fund?
There are funds under various schemes. I don't know exactly how much each one gets, but we'll give them more funds than what they are getting also.
हाफ द सायज ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्युशन म्हणजे ते अर्दे आमदारांचे म्हणले थोडे आमदारूय जाता म्हटल्यार
ऑफकोर्स जाता हेजे कोणी जावं ना कितले जाण जाले रे मागीर इट्स अ गुड सायन नो इट्स अ रियल डेमोक्रेसी एट इट्स बेस्ट एट द ग्रासरूट लेवल.
And how would you also make it sure, see, because recently you have passed in assembly, they have a right to go to assembly, Gram Sabhas also.
Yes, which they did not have. Even MLAs did not have a right. I have passed that very consciously. Even what a panchayat decides, they should have a say. If they are from the same area, they will also have a voting right. Including the MLA will have a voting right if they are from that same constituency or the same panchayat area. Otherwise, they have every right to speak on anything and everything in those panchayat bodies. Only they will not have a right to vote. That's all.
And these rights will be sooner as possible because
Already
पांच वर्सां
notify
होईना
केले बाबा.
Okay.
नोटिफाय केलें तांकां रायट दिले वचपाक पंचायतीन नाल्यार एकदां वाय वी
Funds I'm
डीड
talking
वी यूज टू सी मेनी टायम्स दे वर नॉट अलाउड इन पंचायत दे वर ट्रीटेड लायक नोबडी विच विल नॉट हॅपन नाव दे हॅव अ लीगल रायट टू बी देर.
No, I'm talking about funds and all. We said more powers. They began that all. So time.
No, that will give them. Surely will give them.
It's a common cadre for panchayats. केन्ना जातले?
अरे कॉमन केडर आहा मरे बाबा.
ऑलरेडी आसा.
येस इट इज देर.
पूण थोडे आसा ऑलरेडी ते तेंचे ट्रान्सफर जावंकूच ना म्हणटात.
अरे बाबा ट्रान्सफर कोणाचे पळय येता कंप्लेन सिरियस कंप्लेन वी हॅव ट्रान्सफर्ड देर हॅव बीन सो मेनी केसीस वे वी हॅव ट्रान्सफर्ड बट गोवा इज सच अ स्मॉल प्लेस एवरीबडी नोज एवरीबडी. सपोज मिस्टर एक्स ताका ट्रान्सफर केले तो मिस्टर ए घेवन येता मातशें कॅन्सील कर म्हणून तूं जाणा गोंयान कितें जाता ते.
Sir, one more thing.
एवरीवेअर इट इज द सेम.
Sir, one more thing is ह्या सण आमी पंचायतीनी सगळ्यान पयला चड कोणान ओपोज प्रोटेस्ट पण कित्याक लागून
सी इट इज अ फेज यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट पावस सदां पडटा केन्ना पावस पडटा आतां पावस पडटा म्हणून भिजता सगळे सदां पावस उरपाना एटमॉस्फियर वील चेंज. ओके डोंट वरी.